Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent Recorder app to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. Where to look for this option? So, first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down to notifications and quick settings. Then we need to scroll down again to the lock screen menu. And here we have a list of applications that we can change. Of course, at the top we have one big button to turn them all on or off. And we are looking for the Recorder app. Here it is. So we can disable notifications on the lock screen. Now it's off, as you can see, or we can enable them back again. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.